Altcoins just keep moving from strength to strength to strength. 2021 is going to be such an insane year for altcoins. Just the news stories from today would be enough to make me mega bullish on altcoins, but when you kind of realize this is just one day in what is otherwise another just crazy flood of news and things happening in the crypto markets, it's incredible. In this video, I'm going to cover off the biggest crypto news from across the blockchain space today, including Cardano, Ethereum, Polkadot, as well. We're looking at layer 2 Ethereum stuff from Polygon, as well as a new project to put on your radar. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos about investing in cryptocurrencies. So if that is what you would like to learn more about, I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel and also click on that notification bell down there so you know when I put out a new video. By the way, if you want to trade some Bitcoin, some Ethereum, some Cardano, some Chainlink, or a bunch of other top altcoins, then you need to get yourself an account over on Femex. It is the best futures exchange for longing and shorting cryptocurrencies. Use the link down below in the description to sign up for your account, and you'll get 10% off of your trading fees and up to $150 in trading bonuses. So if you are a trader, then check that out. Okay, so let's get straight into this. The first news for today is about Cardano. So block production on Cardano has finally gone completely decentralized. The entire network is now in the hands of the community, with stake pool operators now in charge of 100% of the network's transactions, which is very, very cool. This is a very big step forward for Cardano, since it means that IOHK, the development firm behind making Cardano, will no longer participate in making blocks. Basically, what they've done is removed the training wheels and pushed the community out and said, hey, guys, go do it yourselves. You're going to be fine. So that's pretty cool. Definitely a step in the right direction for Cardano. In total, there are around 2,000 different stake pools currently running the Cardano network. Now we just need those damned smart contracts to come on board. Come on, man. Come on. Let's get it done. Let's get it done, of course. Those should be on the mainnet by August. Next up, Aave has announced that it will be using Polygon as a layer 2 scaling solution, which is incredible news because Aave is literally the third biggest DeFi protocol in crypto. Obviously, one of the biggest players on the Ethereum network. They have around $6 billion in total assets on the platform. Polygon also announced today that they are integrating with the no loss lottery pool together, which we talked about a little bit here on the channel, I think about last week or so. That's also a pretty big DeFi application. And they also announced today that Decentraland, which is a major NFT virtual world game, has announced that it is integrating with Polygon as well. The crazy thing here is that Polygon still only has a market cap of $1.8 billion, or around about there, depending on when you're watching this video. Yet it is literally better than and more used than, and has more applications than, and more users than many of the layer 1 protocols with much higher market caps. I'm looking at you, Nem. I'm looking at you, Neo. I'm looking at you, Tezos, and a couple others on there as well. There's almost nothing happening on these chains, or very, very little in comparison to what's happening on Polygon right now, and yet they have market caps twice as high. Come on, market. The market's wrong. It's not me. It's the market that's wrong on this. Anyway, this Polygon news is super important because it means that the best layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, which the market is really starting to pick up on the reality that it is the best layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum right now. It's working here. It's now being used increasingly by these major applications. I mean, Aave, that's a big, big win for Polygon. Pull it together, and Decentraland also massive. You know, these guys, these applications, they're not waiting months for the release of Optimism. They're taking action now and getting on the layer 2 bandwagon. They're choosing to scale their applications now, which is awesome. That means that users can now enjoy layer 2 Ethereum with the best applications in the industry. Next up, I want to share this exciting news from Engine with you. The team behind Engine, the OG of NFTs, will be launching a new protocol called Efinity, which will be a purpose-built NFT-focused blockchain running on Polkadot. This is incredible. I mean, Engine, they're absolute pioneers in the NFT space. Of course, the Engine cryptocurrency is one of the biggest cryptocurrencies by market cap. They are now launching a new project, an NFT platform on 2020s, and definitely I think 2021 at this point as well. Most hyped blockchain, Polkadot. Tight, I love it. Now, in case you don't know, the Engine team literally created the most important NFT token standard a couple of years back. So these guys know exactly what they are doing when it comes to NFTs and exactly what NFTs need to be successful. And while Ethereum is definitely cool, the problem is that Ethereum was not actually purpose-built for NFTs. It's one of the many things that Ethereum can do, and it does it pretty well, except for, of course, the high gas fees. But Polkadot and its parachain network actually offer the kind of customization necessary for building an NFT-specific blockchain that will then be able to interoperate with all of the other parachains on the network. And the cool thing is that they're making Efinity built for NFT interoperability, meaning that any NFT from any chain can move over to Efinity. And they're also designing in such a way that end users won't even have to have a blockchain wallet. They're abstracting away the complexities of using the blockchain, which is awesome. That is something that sounds ready for mainstream adoption. Now, Efinity is not out yet. It's only just been announced by the Engine team, but I'm definitely keeping an eye on this, and I'll keep you up to date as we learn more about Efinity and, of course, any sale dates and stuff like that might come up in the future. I also have some cool news for you today from Unilend. Now, this is a project we haven't actually talked about in a while, but which has been out there just quietly building, delivering on technology. They actually just released their Flash loan services, and they actually did their first Flash loan. So the first Flash loan has now officially taken place. You can see the stats of that loan on the screen here. So their Flash loan actually paid out 70% of the fees of that loan to stakers, and they charged almost half as much as Aave does to do a similar service. Competition, I love it. Coming, the money markets, that's how they thrive. That's how you as a user end up getting the best fee services and, of course, the best rates for your crypto by strong competition. Unilend, I always thought was a cool idea, basically mixing the permissionless listing capability of Uniswap in the robust money markets of Aave. And finally for today, I want to put the Ethereum push notification service on your radar. Now, this is a protocol for blockchain-based notifications. Now, the idea here is to make the entire Web3 experience more user-friendly with better access to information for users, particularly when it comes to your wallet addresses. Now, their service will basically enable any application or smart contract to be able to send platform agnostic and incentivized, very interesting, incentivized notifications. Now, this is a simple but a pretty powerful idea. And if we're being honest, the user experience with blockchain applications, definitely a lot still to be desired. So anything that goes towards improving that experience, making crypto more mainstream friendly, helping us get to that next step of saying, hey, anybody can use this, it's super easy, should definitely, I think, find popularity among users. I mean, just imagine this as a quick example. What if your email provider didn't send you a mail notification when you got an important email, like from your boss or your wife or something like that? Well, that's kind of where crypto is right now. We're missing those features. So EPNS, they're going to fix that. It's a pretty cool idea. Uniswap has just announced that it will be a pilot tester of the EPNS service, and Aave has actually announced that they're giving a grant to EPNS as well, so you can expect them to be using their services too. Literally, two of the biggest decentralized finance protocols on Ethereum have thrown their weight behind EPNS, which is amazing to see. They have strong advisors, and among their many big investors are BINANCE Labs. Obviously, that's big. Likely, this will at some point lead to a Binance exchange listing, although of course that's just speculation. Nothing is confirmed, obviously, but Binance is an investor. Now, EPNS just opened their whitelist for their Polka starter sale, so if you are keen to register for this sale, then make sure to go over and check it out ASAP. Get on the whitelist because it closes in just a couple of days. The token sale itself will be on April 13th. Now, I am investing in EPNS. I like the idea. Now, let's finish up your question for today. Very simple one. What cryptocurrencies are you currently staking? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.